Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all. How are you? Expect you are safe and sound by the grace of the Almighty. I am Shirajum Munir, your English teacher from Sector 4 branch, Milestone Preparatory KG School. Today, our topic is possessive adjective. So now let's move on. You have already learned about the definition of adjective in your first term and in the previous class. So now I'm going to remind you of that definition. Adjectives are words that qualify nouns or pronouns. They give extra information about the noun or pronoun. Here, what is a noun? Can you tell me? Yes, I'm telling you that. Noun it means some naming words. Dhaka is the name of a city. Bangladesh is the name of a country. Tiger is a name of an animal. So here Dhaka, Bangladesh, tiger are nouns. What is a pronoun? Pronoun means a word that we put in place of a noun to avoid the repetition of that noun. Suppose I, he, she are the examples of pronouns. Here look at the example here. The first one, Mahim is a good student. Here good is an adjective because here good is qualifying the noun student, and here it is the word good is giving extra information about the student. Here number 2, there is enough water in the glass. Here enough is qualifying the noun water, and it is extra information about the amount of water in the glass. Now the third one, these mangoes are ripe. Here these is the adjective because it is indicating some noun. Here the noun is mangoes. Now in the previous class you have already learned about demonstrative adjectives. For your better understanding, I'm repeating that again. What is a demonstrative adjective? The word demonstrative means showing, indicating or pointing to something. What is something here? The adjective that is used to point out a noun or a pronoun is called demonstrative adjective. So when we show, indicate or point out some noun or pronoun, that word is called demonstrative adjective. So there is an important thing about the uses of demonstrative adjective. Let's know about it. A demonstrative adjective always comes before the noun and agrees with it in gender and number. We will know about it in details after some seconds. Now there are 4 examples of demonstrative adjective. There, this, these, that and those. Now we will know about the uses of these 4 demonstrative adjectives. Now look at the table very carefully. Here when we indicate something that is near us and singular in number, we use this. When that is near us and plural in number, we use this. When that is far away from us and singular in number, we use that. And when that is far away from us and plural in number, we use those. I expect that you have understood it well. Now look at the picture here. The mobile cartoon is telling you this house is ours. Why? Look, there is only one house and the house is near the mobile, the cartoon. So the cartoon is telling you this house is ours. Now the second picture here, the boy is showing his house and the house is far away from the boy and there is only one house, meaning that is in singular form. So the boy is telling that house is ours. Now the third picture, a cartoon is showing some mangoes and the mangoes are near the cartoon, and look at the word here, mangoes is in plural form. So the cartoon is telling these mangoes are green. Here, look at the picture here. The oranges are far away from the man, and look at the word here, oranges, that is in plural form. So the man is telling those those oranges are yellow. Now come to the next topic, and this is our main topic of today's lesson. So look at very carefully. What is possessive adjective? The adjective that shows possession of something by someone is called possessive adjective. Here the word possession means to own something, to have something. So possessive adjectives occur before a noun. In other words, they indicate that the noun they refer to belongs to someone. Look at the example here. I'm explaining it. This is my jacket. Here my is the possessive adjective, because here the word my is before a noun, and that noun is jacket, and with the word my we indicate the position of jacket. And number B, she is very fond of her grandparents. Here the word her is placed before the noun grandparents, and it is showing the ownership or to have grandparents. There are more examples for your better understanding. Our school is beside the main road. Here our is the possessive adjective, because with this word we mean that the school is ours. Next one, your pen is nice to look at. Here with the word your I am indicating the pen is yours. You are the owner of that pen. Now number 3, his uncle is a kind man. So with the word his I am telling that his uncle, the so here there is a kind of relationship. Next one, her bag is heavy. With the word her I am indicating that she is the owner of that bag. Now next number, the cat lost its tail. Here the cat has the tail, and with the word its I am indicating that the cat has that tail. It's one kind of ownership actually. And then next one, they all love their country. So here their country, so the country is theirs. So and there is one kind of ownership or having something here. So I expect that you have learned it well. Now there is a small video clip for you, so enjoy now.
Possessive adjectives.
Nikki is showing pictures that she has clicked.
Look at these sentences. She is my friend, Vinny. Vinny is posing with her brother, Vinay. Vinay is showing off his boxing gloves. Here they are with their parents. These are some of our friends. This is my new puppy. Do you like its kennel? Now stick your picture here. The words my, her, his, their, its, our, and your show a relationship or ownership. They are called possessive adjectives. The possessive adjectives always come before a noun that they qualify. For example, my friend. The possessive adjective my qualifies the noun friend.
Have you enjoyed the video clip, students? Personally, I have enjoyed the video very much. Now it's the time for your book work. Go to page number 27 of your grammar gear book and look at exercise D, and here the instruction is circle the correct possessive adjectives. Here the first one, where is, the options are you and your bicycle. Here look, here your is the possessive adjective, but here you is not an adjective, you is a pronoun. So here the answer is your. Where is your bicycle? And you will circle this word your, because your is the answer here. Now next number, this is not Ramesh. He or his bicycle is not red. Here he is pronoun and his is the possessive adjective, so his bicycle is not red. Now number 3, the elephant is lifting up it or its trunk to salute you. So here it is a pronoun and its is the possessive adjective, so here the right answer is its. Number 4, I met a friend of yours. What's he or his name? Here he is a pronoun and his is the possessive adjective, so the right answer is his. Now number 5, hello Raghu and Naveen. Is Mohan in you or your class? Here you is a pronoun and your is the possessive adjective, so the right answer here is your. Now number 6, no, he is not in our or my or we class. Here we is a pronoun, but our and my are possessive adjectives, so what will be the answer here? Can you tell me? Here look at the question number 5 here. Here hello Raghu and Naveen. So here Raghu and Naveen, there are two persons, so two persons make plural form. So here in number 6 the right answer is our. No, he is not in our class. Now number 7, we went shopping and bought many things. Now we or our bag is full. Here we is a pronoun and our is the possessive adjective here, so the right answer here is our. Our bag is full. Now number 8, I forget your surname. It or its spelling is not easy. Can you tell me what will be the answer here, dear students? Here it is it will be the answer. No, it is a pronoun here, so here its is the possessive adjective, so its will be the answer here. Its spelling is not easy. Now number 9, this is not me or my watch. Me is not possessive adjectives. Here me is the objective form of I, so here my is the possessive adjective, because my means the position of the watch. Here number 10, now we know he has a sister. What is she or her name? Here she is a pronoun and her is the possessive adjective, so the right answer will be her. What is her name? There is another book work for you. Go to page number 28 of your grammar gear book, and there is exercise E, and look at the instruction here. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive adjectives. So let's start now. We are a family of 4 people. Here me or my. Me is not possessive adjective. My is the possessive adjective. So the right answer here is my. My father, mother, sister, and I. Here we, the options are we and our. Here our is the possessive adjective, but we is a pronoun. So our house was built many years ago. Now we are a loving family and we celebrate festivals and birthdays together. Here my is the possessive adjective, but me is not a possessive adjective. So the right answer will be my. My birthday is in the month of September. Suhasini. Here me is not a possessive adjective, so the right answer here will be my. My sister celebrates. Here the answer here will follow the first one, my sister. So here the right answer will be her. Her birthday in the month of June. Here your or our mother is happy to invite all. The options are our or its friends for Suhasini's birthday. Here our will be the answer, because here our means I and my sister. So our mother is happy to invite all, and here its the word its indicates only animal or a thing or a matter, but our means somebody or some human being. So here our will be the answer. Our mother is happy to invite all our friends for Suhasini's birthday. The next one, can you tell me something about? Here you is a pronoun, so you will not be here, but your is the possessive adjective. So the right answer here will be your. So can you tell me something about your family? So this is the ending of the lesson. So what can we learn from this lesson today? Today we have learned about the definition of adjective, the demonstrative adjective, and mainly possessive adjective, the definition of possessive adjective, the uses of possessive adjective, and we have solved 2 exercises. Now there is a SW for you. Learn definition of possessive adjective and solve exercise D and E, page number 26, 27 and 28 from Grammar Gear book. And learn plus write definition of demonstrative adjective and possessive adjective with examples. So that's the end of today's lesson. And dear students, you have already known that this is the time of Corona, so stay at home and stay safe. So thank you very much. Coming in front of you with another video, with another lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.